Dear ladies and gentlemen, this guide will update you about the danger of fake Adobe Flash Player update alerts. And these alerts come from the website Reliableultimatesafevideoplayers.info. Reliableultimatesafevideoplayers.info. It's a very long website name, the domain name. However, it is absolutely misleading, and it is not a genuine update for Apple software. Frankly speaking, if there is a need for some Apple software to be updated, the system preferences will give you a special warning about that. It is called actually update, software update, and in case it is available, there will be a special warning mentioning that some software needs to be updated, and that's done through the official built-in interface into your Mac computer. Now, speaking about these pop-ups, Reliableultimatesafevideoplayers.info, this is the website that tries to look at some decent alert from Apple. However, it is not. Its main mission is to infect your Mac with a lot of potentially unwanted programs. So you'd better stay away from dealing with such faulty update alerts. You should not interact with them if you cannot close your browser. That's what I'm experiencing right now. Click on Command Option and Escape and force quit Safari browser. After you do that, I also recommend that you scan your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may download it through the website combocleaner.com, which is the official landing page of Combo Cleaner antivirus. So why should you scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner? First of all, that's because your Mac could remain exposed to some other threats. Even if you inspect your available Mac applications, you still may not find anything suspicious here, but the adware or malware may be still running actively in your system each time you start using it. So I recommend that you scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner. After you download the program, install it and start it, and this is the way it looks like. It's a premium version in my case. However, initially you'll see the trial version. Click on Start Combo Scan button. The trial version works as a free scanner. It scans your Mac, it reports the locations of threads, so you may remove those threads manually after the scanning is done or automatically with the premium version of the program. I hope the video was helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Bye.